Ladies, if you're tired of watching other people talk about stocks, crypto, money like it's some secret club, this one's for you. You just need faith, wisdom, and the right mindset. Let's talk about how to build wealth and how to invest in the stock market, housewife edition. Today in this video, we're talking about how to invest for beginners. For way too long, we've let the men handle all the money talk, the stocks, the crypto. We just allowed the men to handle everything with the I got this attitude, but that stops here. If your spouse is great with money, let him handle the finances, let him handle the major stuff. That's fine too. If that's what works for your home, do it. Because I'm not telling you to take that away. I'm telling you to start yours too. Start small, start separate, start learning. Because even if he's managing the household finances, you should still be building something for yourself too. If you're a housewife, a stay-at-home mom, a single woman, this video is your sign. It's time we start investing for us. And if you're new here, if you're new to this channel, my name's Claudie. This is Lane to Wealth, where we don't chase wealth, we are chosen to create it. So let's create wealth together. Now listen, this isn't going to be super technical, at least not yet, or maybe not even for a long time. I don't know exactly where this channel will lead, but my goal is to help women, housewives, stay-at-home moms, single women build wealth the right way, the godly way. Like I said, it will not be super technical, so you can start practicing it or learning it if you're curious. So just leave the heavy lifting to me, because I'm learning and practicing charts every day. I'm studying the history, the psychology. I'm learning the market behavior, so you don't have to stress about every candle or every percentage. I got you. So here's how to actually start investing the right way. You don't need $1,000 all at once. All you need is about $10 to $20 a week. What matters most is consistency, not the amount. If you're brand new to investing, start with user-friendly apps like Robinhood or Webull. They're simple and they're clean and they're made for retail investors like us. If you want something a little bit more refined, something that long-term styled professional investors use, you can go with platforms like Fidelity or Schwab. Those are great if you like structure or if you want to open IRAs or retirement accounts later on. Start simple, buy ETFs. Those are baskets of stocks like the S&P 500, or buy companies that you love and you already understand. Invest in what you use, what's in your home, your shelf, your skincare. Invest in what you already use in your home. This is how you start training your investor's eye. This will be your edge. I'll be honest with you, every time I ignored my instincts, I missed the blessing. There were moments I could sense something about to happen. I can see things happening around me. I felt like a stock was about to take off, or I heard people talking about it, and I felt like this instinct in my gut, but then I would go ask my husband about it. And guess what? If he said no because the charts didn't match or because of his own analysis, I just drop it. But guess what, guys? Those were the same plays that ended up 10xing. So every time I followed his logic and ignored my own intuition, I missed out. I realized something. Men are logic, but women, we are intuitive. We see things emotionally, psychologically, and spiritually before they even show up on the chart. And that's not weakness. That's a gift. Now I respect my husband, and I always will. But I learned to trust myself too, because God gave me discernment too. God gave me vision and He gave me instinct. So now I pray, I feel, I think, and then I decide. Here is the secret that no one actually really knows. Women are naturally built for investing. We're more patient, we're better at long-term thinking, and we tend to invest with purpose, not ego. Studies even show that women make better investors because we do not panic sell, we plan. We notice what people are buying, what products are trending, and what industries are quietly growing. Now, that's market research without even calling it research. So don't ever think you're less smart just because you don't know charts. You already know more than you think you know. You just haven't learned the language yet. One of my favorite verses is Proverbs 31, verse 16. She considers a field and buys it, and out of her earnings she plants a vineyard. You see that? She considers, she studies, she plans, and then she invests. She's not breaking her back, she's not hustling every hour. She's thinking, she's strategizing, and she's multiplying what she already has. Now, I'm not saying women shouldn't work. Some of us have to right now, and that's okay, but it should be temporary. That job or side hustle is just a bridge, but it should not be your final destination. After paying God first, you should be investing in something. Something like assets that grow. Stocks, crypto, real estate, even if it's your own business, even if it's small, start investing now. That's what Proverbs 31 is really saying. She used wisdom, not burnout. Now let's talk about the part that nobody teaches, compounding. If you invest just 100 a month and it compounds at least 8% every year, in 20 years, that's $58,000. Now imagine 300 a month. That's over $175,000. That's what quiet wealth looks like. It's not luck. It's consistency, patience, and obedience. Most wealthy middle-class investors grow their money about 7 to 10% a year. It doesn't sound like much. But guess what? That's how normal people become millionaires without ever hitting the lottery. And don't worry, I'm learning the technical stuff for now. I'm working on learning the charts every day. I'm studying patterns, market cycles, and economic data, so I can make this easy for you. If you want to learn charts later, don't worry, take your time. You can go slow, step by step, or go all in like me. No rush, because here we do things the feminine way, with grace, strategy, and wisdom. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start today, even if it's $10. Don't overthink it. Don't wait to feel ready, because ready never comes, and I'm talking from experience. Remember to pray before you invest, move with peace, not pressure. And remember, we don't chase wealth, we're chosen to create it. So if this video helped you today even a little bit, please subscribe, drop a comment, ask a question, and share this video with another woman who's ready to invest and grow wealth God's way, kingdom wealth. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you ladies on the next video. I love you all, and thank you for watching. God bless.